Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashutosh Gaud, Assistant Professor, पाल यूनिवर्सिटी। आज मैं आप लोगों को मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट कंसेप्ट्स पे we will discuss. I have taken the content of this PPT from the Philip Kotler's book. The definition, what is mentioned in the book is what is marketing. It is marketing is an organization function as a set of processes for creating, communicating and delivering value to customer and for managing customer relationship in a way that benefit the organization and its stakeholders. अब यहाँ पे जानने की बात ये है कि मार्केटिंग लोग बोलते हैं क्या है, कैसे होता है, क्या करते हैं। मार्केटिंग जो है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का एक फंक्शन है जो सेट ऑफ प्रोसेस से बनता है, जो वैल्यू डिलीवर करता है कस्टमर को और कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप इन अ वे दैट बेनिफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड इट्स स्टेक होल्डर्स। What is marketing management? Marketing management is an art and science of choosing target market and getting, keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. What is marketed? That means हम किस किस चीज़ को मार्केट कर सकते हैं. We can market goods, we can market service, we can market event, we can market experience, we can market person, we can market place, we can market properties, we can market organization, we can market information, we can market ideas. मार्केट गुड्स का मतलब हुआ जैसे कि गुड्स यानी कि कार, ट्रक, मशीन्स. मार्केट सर्विसेज का मीनिंग वी कैन मार्केट सर्विसेज, दैट मीन्स car rental service, lawyer service, banker service, beautician services. These are the services which you market. These are the services we are marketing services. Events. There's a lot of events, product launch events, sports events, celebrity events, musical events. A lot of events are going there, and we market those events through various social media and all. That is we are doing the event marketing. Experience marketing means when we experience when like amusement park, theme restaurants, when we market all these we market experiences. Similarly, person, when we market celebrities, sport person, we market a sports person. Places, we can market a country, we can market a state, we can market a city, we can market a visit a picnic place also, or a old fort also. We can market anything. Market properties means we can sell financial stakeholders, funds, mutual funds and other things. Marketing organizations, like we entire organization we market information. That means like a pathological lab reports, results which we get from the labs which we market. We actually we get and we are selling getting the information or selling the information to them. And how it has been done, selling ideas. We can market ideas also. Demand state, there could be various kind of demands like negative demand, non-existing demand, latent, decline, irregular, unwholesome, full, over. Key customer markets, business markets, global markets, non-profit, government market. The marketplace isn't it what it is used to be. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है. आज से पहले मार्केट प्लेस ऐसे नहीं होता था. नाउ इन्वेंशंस आर टेकिंग प्लेस एवरी डे. नाउ इंटरनेट इज टेकिंग पार्ट इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ very aggressively. Now we can say now technology is changing very fast. If you want to buy something, if you want to have information entire something of anything entire the world, we can get it within second. And globalization means every company has an offices in every country nowadays almost. So if somebody want to directly connect with the company, they can directly connect with the company. Now government is also doing lot of deregulation means now that's what I'm saying. The country can all companies are being are going to the across borders. Privatization means people can trade something, people can make something. Empowerment, customer is already empowered with a lot of knowledge, so they can do many things. Customization, company can offer everything as per the convenience of the customer. There is a lot of convergence and there is a lot of disintermediation in the market. This is actually changing many things. Company orientation means how the company is actually oriented. It could be a product oriented, it could be a production oriented, it could be selling oriented, it could be marketing oriented. This is very important concept of marketing mix and the customer mix. And we say so 4 P's. This is a product, price, place, and promotions. And for the customer, it's a customer solution, customer cost, convenience, and communication. These are the important factors which always decide many things on the marketing, which we will discuss time again and again. Core concepts of marketing is a need, want, demand, target market, positioning, segments, offering, and brands, value and satisfaction, marketing channels, supply chain, competition, marketing environment, marketing planning. These are the concepts which I will discuss in my upcoming videos. What are the target market, how we position things, how we value things, how we compete with the customer, how marketing be done. And there is very specific what are the there are the needs, what are type of the needs of the customer. There are stated needs, there are real needs, there are unstated needs, there are delight needs, there are secret needs. That we need to understand the customer's requirement and the needs, and then we offer the products. Marketing management task. There's a lot of marketing manager has to do the activities. It's a development marketing strategies, capturing market insights, connecting with the customer, building strong bonds, shaping market offerings, delivering value, communicating value, creating long-term growth. With this, I conclude my chapter and I open for the discussion. If anybody has any question on this, they can send me a mail and I will answer them on the mail, and my email ID will be in the description of the video. Thank you very much and have a good day and happy learning. Bye.